Di boses ho ni Gary D ang maririnig nyo, kundi yung kung ano yung binigay ni Lord sa akin, yun yung maririnig ninyo. May sabi nga nila pag nakaside daw, Coco Martin. Pero pag-arap, ninyo mulak. Anyway, masaya ako at proud ako dahil ganito ako ginawa ni Lord. Binigyan ako ng konting talent na nasi-share ko sa ating church at sa mga youth at sa inyong lahat po na nandito. So sabay-sabay po nating namnamin yung bawat salita, bawat letra ng awiting ito. Sana ho matouch po yung mga puso natin bawat isa. So pwede rin po kayong sumabay sa pag-awit mo ito.
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here.
Ayaw ko nang bumaba, hindi nyo ako makikita.
If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear. Come on, sing. And I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind, and I will listen, and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, through the winning and losing and trying, we'll be together, 'cause I will be here. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the future is unclear, 'cause I will be here. Just as sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years. 'Cause I will be here, and I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older, and I will hold you, and I will be here to watch you grow